Ooh, text. Oh, Nat's nails come off again. I just don't know what to do. You dread getting those text messages because I know I certainly did when I first started. But never fear, Nail Tech Secrets are here and I'd love to help you, so let's talk about it. So, first off, we need to ascertain, did she fall or was it pushed? Now, to do this, we need to get a photo. So ask your client to send you a photo. The reason we want to see is this because we want to see if the nail is smooth. If the nail plate is smooth, then the likelihood is it's your prep. If the nail plate is rough, then the likelihood is it's been caught on something. So revisit your prep routine if the nail is really smooth. I've got lots of videos on my page, and if you do want me to go into more detail or discuss it more, let me know in the comments below. And if the nail plate is rough, how long is it since the nail was done? A lot of techs will offer a free repair within the first few days, normally 48 to 72 hours. If you're looking at like a week and a half in, then in all honesty, the likelihood is the client's caught it on something, and you know what? That does happen. Nails are not indestructible, and from time to time they break. We've all done it. One of the things I often say to people is the particular service that your client's having appropriate to them? So, for example, I am very heavy-handed. I like nice long nails. I have to have acrylic. Even if they're shorter, I prefer acrylic. It's my bag. I love it. However, Builder Gel is perfect for a lot of people, but it's not always as hard wearing as acrylic. And at the same time, for certain clients, it might not be flexible enough. So you need to work out what's best for your client. If one particular product isn't working and you know you've checked your prep and all that kind of thing, then move on to the product. Most important thing is that you're doing your client consultation when they first come in so you can ascertain the product and service that's going to be best for them, and that your prep routines are good and that you're using quality products. Now, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I do hope you've enjoyed this and you've found it helpful, and make sure you like and follow for more. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye now.